podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat, heading to Barthélemy Square and more precisely at number 4. Take a look at this house, it is atypical. For what? Because she leans, nicknamed the leaning house. This house originally did not lean. Come on, let me tell you his story. We are in the 18th century when this 3-story house rises into the Rouen sky. On either side of this house, other houses of the same height are built and lean on each other. A century later, in the 19th century, the city decided to create Barthélemy Square and relieve congestion in the district, which was then dense with small streets and half-timbered houses. For this, and in order to provide a square for the Saint-Maclou church, the houses located to the left of the leaning house will be destroyed. Following the demolition of these houses, the pastel pink house, located to the right of the leaning house, will continue to lean on it, causing a deformation of the house. This is how the leaning house will be born. Today, and following numerous reinforcement works, this house no longer presents a danger for the inhabitants and the surrounding homes. And even better, this building has become a tourist attraction that I like to call the Tower of Pisa in Rouen. So, if you are passing through the neighborhood, I invite you to discover another very unusual place. The Saint-Maclou Cemetery, an old mass grave renovated in 2020 and one of the last ones that can be visited in Europe.